Hello there, everyone. This video is intended to teach you how to create and edit videos in the right dimensions for YouTube short videos or TikTok videos. Because, well, you see, I'll put an example right over here that I've made myself in these methods. I just tried on following the cringiest and absolute worst creator to ever exist. All it said was edit profile. Huh. Yeah. Anyway, as you can see, that's a bit thinner than you would expect of a normal video, right? So, I'm going to teach you today how to record in those dimensions and edit videos and export them in said dimensions and avoid any editing issues. Now, this will assume you already know how to use openshot video editor, because that's what I mainly use for this stuff, and use OBS to record your videos. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, you open OBS, right? Simple enough. And then you go to File and go to Settings. After you open the settings, there should be a video subsetting over there. Now, after you get to there, you change the dimensions from the ones they have as default to the ones I'll show you on the screen right here. Gonna leave that up for a few seconds just so you can pause the video if you need to. And after that, press apply. After you press apply, the dimensions should thin the recording section out to more of a standing up rectangle. And after that, you are in the proper area to record your videos and TikToks and YouTube Shorts. However, after that, and you get all the recording done, what if you want to add to them? Excellent question. Next, I'll show you how to edit videos and export them in said dimensions. This is going to assume you use OpenShot, because that's the only video editor I use personally, but yeah. First, you open OpenShot Video Editor, right? Same thing as it went with the OBS, except it's OpenShot Video Editor. Then, you go to the little icon on the screen. I'll show you a visual of what the icon looks like right here. Pause the video if you need to. And then, you click on the vertical setting of one of the settings it shows you. Vertical. The vertical setting with the higher numbers. That is the TikTok one, but higher quality, so to speak. I'll include an image of what that looks like right here for a second. Got it? Good. After you get that in there, you then just have to edit your video as you usually would. And then you export, and it's ready to put into TikTok. But if you don't know how to edit videos, slip of the tongue. If you don't know how to edit videos yet, I would recommend learning, because the reason I use OpenShot is actually fairly easy to learn. I'll link a tutorial that I use down in the description below. But after you export it by clicking the red button and selecting the area it goes to, just upload it to YouTube or TikTok. It should work just fine. If you have any questions, ask me below. See ya later. Thank you for watching my mind-numbing content. If you want your brain cells back, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll consider returning them to you. I'll see you all in the next video.